Affirmative in negative sentence. Question. Person pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, will. Use a verb in simple form. Structure. Should, subject, will, verbs, complement. Example. Will work, word. El mechanic will have the car ready tomorrow. Forma negative. El mechanic will not have the car ready tomorrow. Question. Will mechanic have the car ready tomorrow? He will pay us the credit card amount. He will not pay is the credit card after amount. Question. How had the of the credit card at the end of month? I will love you, Joe, till the end. This part. Forma afirmativa. Forma negativa. I will not love you, Joe, till the end. This part. Question. Will I love you, Joe, till the end. This part. Going to plan for future. Structure. Sujeto. To be. Going. Verb was. Complement. Forma afirmativa. He is going to buy a new car. Forma negativa. He is not going to buy a new car. Question. Is he going to buy a new car? Yes, he is. Negative. No, he is not. New image. She is going get married today. For negative. She is not going to get married today. Question. Is she going to marry today? Yes, she is. Negative. No, she is not. I am going to watch TV. Forming affirmative. Negative. I am not going to watch TV. Question. I'm going to watch TV. Yes, you are. Negative. No, you are not. Comparative will going to, will. Estructure, should, sujetos, más will, más verbas, complement. Ejemplos, sample. We will learn English this year. Going to, example. We are going to learn English this year. Example for negative. We will not learn English this year. Going to. We are not going to learn English this year. Question. Will. Will we learn English this year? Yes, we will. Negative. No, we won't. Going to question. Are we going to learn English this year? Yes, we are. Negative. No, we are not.